Good morning, friends. I am Tarot Poet Fairyfarmgirl. Yep, that's me. Like, subscribe, and follow. I connect through water. Water holds memory before the false grid, before the false matrix, before the false veil. It is the record of our souls. This vessel that I inhabit is a gift from the earth. And I feel such gratitude. The heart is a flame spark of living source intelligence energy, a living singularity within each of us. Each of us has a remembering. You are remembered. I am remembered. 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 Unification. Water does not recognize borders. The earth does not recognize borders. Ether does not recognize borders. Another name for ether, Aether, is the Holy Spirit. Oh, dear ones, friends, sisters, brothers, I bless you with love, with gratitude from my heart to your hearts. Gratitude for this little bird chirping in the sky and the sun.